Question 18. By hitting a target, Janita can score 16, 17, 23, 26, 29, or 40 points with each arrow. What is the fewest arrows she can shoot to score exactly 100 points? So we have arrows that could score 6, 17, 23, 26, 29, or 40. We can use each number more than once. So we could have 3 arrows in the 40, for instance, to make 120. But actually what it tells us, we need to have exactly 100. Okay, so it's exactly 100. What I started by doing is looking at all the combinations, but then and looking for like number bonds to 100. I can't find a number bond with 2 arrows. 3 arrows, again, I can't actually make 3 arrows work, and this is why this is why I couldn't make it work. I mean, 2 arrows, they can't make it work because it's 40 plus 40 gives you 80, which is not 100. So let me show you how I worked out that it wasn't available. So 40 plus 29. So 40 plus 29 is 69. 69 plus something equals 100, but 21's not available. Now I'm using big numbers because we want to find the smallest number, the smallest number of arrows. So we want the highest scoring ones if we can. If we looked at 40 plus 26, that means it's 66, and 66 plus something equals 100, and 24 is not available. Next one down, 40 plus 23 equals 63. Now you do notice it's coming down by 3 here. There is a pattern going on. We can go up by 3 here. Again, not available. So if I can't have 40 plus something that gives us that 100, then I'm not going to be able to do it with 2 arrows. So because these numbers are not available, I'm not going to be able to work out with 3 arrows. This would be my first arrow, this is my second arrow, and then whatever this box here is my third arrow. I can't make any of those numbers work. As soon as I get down to 40 plus 17, I don't have enough. Let me just double check. 40 plus 17 is 57. And then I don't have a 49. It takes me up to, so this is way too small to make up to 100 based on the numbers that we've got available. So this tells me, this calculation here tells me we must need greater than 3 arrows. And at this point, you can do one of 2 things. So option A is to go, okay, so I'm going to guess there is a 4 arrow combination. Just putting your finger in the air, just going, I think it might be. Option B is to prove it. At least to find one example. We know 2 arrows won't work. We know 3 arrows won't work. So we need an example that makes 4 work. And I found one because I looked at the combinations of 2, and this together made 43, and this together made 57. 43 plus 57 equals 100. So the answer is 4 arrows. There might well be more combinations that that have 4 arrows adding up together. If you find one, again, let me know.